In the last video, we talked about what Bogu really is. But here's where most people get it wrong. They think Bogu and astrology are basically the same thing. They're not. And if you mix them up, you'll completely misunderstand how Bazi works. Now, to be fair, they do look similar on the surface. Both use your birth data. Both talk about personality, life, and timing. Both try to explain patterns. So it's easy to assume they're just different versions of the same idea. But the logic behind them is completely different. Astrology is based on the positions of planets. It looks at where the planets were at the moment you were born. The most of your planets carries the weather and solids. Bazi is different. It doesn't track planets. It uses a time-based system built on cycles. So instead of where things are, Bazi focuses on how things interact. Astrology often describes personality traits. For example, you're emotional, you're ambitious, you're independent. Bazi goes deeper. It doesn't just describe traits, it analyzes balance.
It looks at what's too strong, what's too weak, what's missing, and what's clashing.
Because in Bazi, your life is not defined by a label. It's defined by a system in motion.
Another major difference is how they look at time. Astrology often looks at transits, what the planets are doing now. Bazi uses something different. It uses structured life cycles.
Your life is divided into phases, and each phase changes how your chart behaves. Which means the same person can experience completely different life periods. If you want to explore this at a deeper level and understand how these cycles actually apply to your own life, you can find more professional and in-depth content on our website. The link is in the description below. So now you see the difference. Bazi is not about planets. It's not about labels. It's about structure, balance, and how things change over time.
But this leads to a deeper question. If Bazi is based on structure, does that mean your life is already fixed? Or is it just probability?
In the next video, we're going to answer one of the biggest questions. Is Bazi fate or probability? Because how you understand this will completely change how you use it. I'll see you in the next one.